Hello everyone, this is Ayush R from IIT Madras. We welcome you with our new topic, that is variation of G. We have to study three types of variations. Okay. Variation of G on Earth's surface, variation of G when an object is taken to h height above the Earth's surface, and variation of G according to the depth when an object is taken deeply in the depth of Earth. So let me explain you. This is our Earth. This planet is our Earth. Say it is Earth. It is Earth. And this is the center point of Earth. This is the central point of Earth. So this distance, what this distance refers to? Radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. Since we assumed it's a circle, it's a big circle, and RE be the radius of this circle. So radius of Earth will be RE. Let us represent it by RE. This whole planet is Earth, and the central point to the distance. Okay, the distance between from the center point to that of the end. One end point is known as radius. Okay. The full distance is diameter. This half distance d by 2 is radius. Say diameter be the d and r be the radius. So what actually this radius refers to? This radius is calculated as 6400 kilometers. The radius of Earth is 6400 kilometers. Standardly, the radius of Earth is 6400 kilometers. It is measured by some scientific methods. Okay, you will study about parallax method. You had already studied about parallax method in units and dimensions. So this radius, it's a length. Okay, this length is 6400 kilometers. In meters you can write it as 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. So variation of G, the first topic we had studied last in our last lecture, that was G on Earth's surface. At Earth's surface, G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8